have no subscription fee, which is awesome. We have another one from Eufy. Eufy, another security company that has a video doorbell out. They also have a bunch of cameras. I personally have 5 Eufy cameras around my property. They have no subscription fee, which is awesome. So literally, you set it up, you set up the app, and then you're done. You're gonna get the 2K video quality. It has a human detection. You can name them yourselves, but it'll know if there's like an Amazon driver at your door. You'll get a notification that says there's an Amazon driver at your door, or the mailman is dropping off packages, or if you do put your people into the app, it will say mommy's getting home right now, things like that, which I like. I like that nice little touch and personalization that you can have with this. Again, no monthly fee, but again, very huge high quality camera that you can get to help protect your home and your family